Welcome to this gorgeous home built by Shapell in the esteemed Bridges community. This home features 2,373 square feet with 4 bedroom and 3 bath. This premium lot sits on 0.25 of an acre and is one of the largest in the neighborhood. It is great for entertaining and very private with its tree-lined setting and trellised hill, has a beautiful water feature that flows down, and upper patio for enjoying sunsets. There is also many fruit trees in the yard. The HOA amenities include a pool, tennis courts, playground, greenbelt, and also you're in walking distance to a park just 1 block away. That's great for family, barbecue pits, and also a baseball field. Convenient location close to award-winning schools, shopping, golf course, freeway, and more. Please come and check us out. You don't want to miss this one. It has the sought-after downstairs bedroom and full bath for your convenience, a gorgeous light-filled entry with soaring ceilings, a formal living room which opens to the elegant dining room and has French doors overlooking the tranquil backyard setting. There's an eat-in kitchen that opens to the cozy family room that has a warm fireplace. I hope you like what you've seen here today, but please stop by in person and enjoy the tranquil setting of this large, oversized private lot. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.